Hello, anybody watching? Just getting set up. Just been editing my Twitch overlay. Should be all ready to go. This is where I've got to so far. So I might not talk too much on this one. Might just be more about the doing it and just letting, if anyone's interested, you can watch me do it. But otherwise, I'm just going to get on with doing it anyway. Let me know if you can hear me. GA Progman, are you with me? Alright, so it looks like I'm on camera. I'm ready to go. So yeah, let's get moving with this. So I want to refresh that again. So I'm letting that come up there, and as that goes along, I want this line to go with it to like come out at the same time. So I'm just going to work on the script for that. Right. So these are the animations I've got so far, and I want to make these two happen at the same time. So that one at 4.5 and this one at 4.5 as well. And I want the top of this one to be already set, so it's in line, so it's not coming across or down. Well, it's not coming down, it's just going across. So I need to add 260 onto whatever the top is for that one. So at the minute, all of them have got a top of minus 100. So I want this one to have a top of, maybe, let's just try, plus 260. So which child is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a fourth child. So in child 4, and then I'm just going to play about with the top. Oh, hi Dance Today. Thanks for tuning in. I'm also going to see if I can play about with, instead of using pixels for the dimensions, using percentages. Oh, that's getting better. Still not keen on the delay there. Just run that one again. Not sure I like the wording anymore. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video? Your free trial is waiting. Get 10 days for free now. Yeah, I don't think the words work. Maybe click here. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video. Maybe those two lines are okay. Oh, what Dance did I? What did you say I should do? They had something on their website. You said I should go with what they said. Can't remember what it was. Just having a quick look now, see what it was. Test your skills, learn something new, get help, repeat. Struggling to learn code, learn better with video. Your free trial is waiting. Get 10 days for free now. Right. I'm not sure. But what I do want to do is, I think I might try setting the top of these to be correct to where they already are, so they just come across. So I think, I can't remember what that is on the JavaScript. So it's starting off at 20px and then it goes up in 60px increments. I wrote it at home. Be at home in about 20. Oh yeah, cool. I should still be on by then. I mean, we can replace that text if we need to. But yeah, I think your idea was good, but I just can't remember what it was. So I need to leave that one at there. So let's see what that's like. So now what I'm expecting to see, because I've already set these tops to be, so imagine that the left of it is just over here somewhere. I'm just imagining it now to be, so it's going to be just sliding in like that, 1, 2, 3, and then finally there. So make sure that's all saved. Refresh that, yeah. Oh yeah. So what you're saying about line 68, let's have a look. Yeah, I know, it's annoying, isn't it? I don't like it either, mate. That one there, yeah, it's gross. It's like a combination between doing it that way and doing line. What I might do is prettify it. What I'm going to do, once I've got it, I'm going to check it in, because I've got it in my SVN folder. I'm just going to check it in, because it's the best I've had it. Why is there such a flipping delay between the two when I've set them both at the same time? Why can't they run in parallel? Maybe if I put them both on as the same image, but that'd be cheating, wouldn't it? I can tweak it, see what I'm doing. Anyway, just going to save that. So let's check it in. As it's my own messages, I don't care, so they don't have to be that meaningful. I'm not bothered. I'm just glad that I can revert it if I need to. So that's good. Let's look at this again. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video? Your free trial is waiting. Get 10 days free now. Right, I think what I'm going to do is swap this. Why not try plural site? Yeah, why not try plural site? So line 3. Yeah, I was on my dinner break at work today and I thought, oh, I'm going to try and do that. And so I was really enjoying it. So I'm trying to edit this CSV and it's basically got these individual letters, which is good. If I wanted just the individual letters, I could do that, but I need to go back to how it was before that. So I need to open recent lines and then use that to edit it. Right, so just go back to that. So your free trial is waiting. So try plural site, try plural, or why not? Have you tried? Yeah. Yeah. Have you tried plural site? File, export, SVG, export, line 3, save, yeah. Don't know why I'm exporting it to there, but oh well. I'll add this to my quick access bar. Yay, right. Plural site has the answer, I like it. Yes, I like that better. Thank you, mate. Plural site has the answer. Does it fit? Oh, just about. Right, I'm going to export directly into that. And now I've got it on my quick access bar, it should be easier. No worries, I'm usually quite terrible at writing copy, I don't believe that. How much copy do you write? Every single week? Right, let's give it a whirl. Struggling to learn code, learn better with video, plural site has the answer. Oh, question mark. Don't want a question mark, do we? I think that should be exclamation mark, point. I like these SVGs. Bloody lovely. Struggling to learn code, learn better with video, plural site has the answer. I'm not sure. Right, so what I also need to do now is move them over a bit because they're annoying me. So what do I do? What's the best way? Right, can I? Yes. So, file, export, line 3. And then I'll just rewrite these struggling to learn code. Learn better with video. I bet you can't actually see this, can you? I can only just about see it myself. Alright. What about start a 10-day free trial now? Or try it now for free? Try it now for free. Try it for free. Try. Come on. Like free stuff? Yeah, but it's not completely free, so I can't be like, do you only like free stuff sort of thing? Try it now. Start a free trial today? What about that? Start a free trial today. Start your free trial now. Right, let's give that a spin. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video? Pluralsight has the answer. Start your free trial. I can't spell. Now. Cheers, mate. Thanks for the typo. Got there in the end. Bit slow on the uptake, I am. Do you think free should be uppercase? Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video? Pluralsight has the answer. Start your free trial. I think today. Today sounds better than now. Start your 10-day trial. Start your free 10-day trial. No. Start your free trial today. Here we go. Come on. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video? Pluralsight has the answer. Start your free trial today. So, now what I'm going to do is tweak a bit of the position, because that's got to be bugging you as much as it is me. So the padding on this is out. That's okay there, and then it goes across nearly okay. So let's push these things over. So their initial positions are fine. The I think I need a 20px final position, if you know what I mean. So change the script when it goes over. So instead of it being left 400, I want it to be left 380. Oh, that's looking better. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video. Pluralsight as the answer. Start your free trial today. Right, so I think what I want to do is increase the gaps between the actions. So let's just try every 2 seconds. Start your free trial today. And now I wonder why that was slower. Alright, so let me try that there. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video. Pluralsight as the answer. Start your free trial today. Why is it not? Why does it not do it? It's getting on my nerves. What if I do that to 0? I bet that'll happen at the very end or something. Start your free trial today. Right at the beginning. Right. Alright. Okay. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video. Pluralsight as the answer. Start your free trial today. No, I think it'd be tacky with uppercase. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video. Pluralsight as the answer. Start your free trial today. Alright, whatever. Is that any good? Does that work? That's too fast. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video. Pluralsight as the answer. I quite like that now. Right, anyway. So, now that I do like that, I want to just check that in. Got a bit of a cough. Right, well, what was I doing? Right, so I want this to be something that can fit on my responsive website. Now, it might not be perfect, the image might not be right, but I wanted to see if I can swap these sort of things for percentage now. So where we have, so the total size of this is 800 by 320, I think. Let's just have a look. Wrong one. 800 by 320. So I don't necessarily want that to be defined there, but when I bring it into my website, I'll sort that out. But it's the styles of the elements within that I'm more bothered about. Like this. So if the top is 240, and the left is 10px. Let's start with that then. So what is 240 into 320? It's 75%. And left of 10px, 10px into 800 is probably very simple. .25%. Right, so yeah, as I say, I'm just going to try and change these sort of things to percentages. So I'm just going to see if that's worked for this logo when it first starts there. So that's still fine, and if I hard refresh, yeah, it's not broken it. That's good. So what's next? This one, 72.6 px. I'm going to say 25%. Might be 24%. I don't know. Maybe 24% is probably right. 80px is 25%, which means that if 10px is 1.25%, then 24 is about bob on. Ooh, it's a little bit bigger. So the top now needs to come up, I think. Let's say the top is 72%. it's looking a bit better. Mm, 73. Don't follow, get ahead. Don't follow, get ahead. Does it fit now? Let's have a look at the text now. Struggling to learn code. Learn better with video. Pluralsight has the answer. Start your free code trial today. I don't think it fits again now. I'm glad you found it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a note of it and check it in. Ideas. Well, I'll save it as ideas. Oh well, at least I've got it ready anyway. In case I need to fall back to it, I've actually recorded it. Not bad for a personal project, don't normally do that. So, struggling to learn code, learn better with video. Pluralsight is the answer. Start your free trial today. So, what do you think to the timings of that? Do you think it looks alright? Yeah, I think it looks alright. So I'm going to carry on with the mission to use percentages. Right. Oh god. So 20px is 2.5%. That will be 10%. That will be 15%. Is that right? 15%. Hang on. I don't know what I'm doing. So 160. What is that? Of 320 is 50%. 140. Is it 45%? This is going to be mental. And then 260 has got to be mm, 92.5%. No, it doesn't make sense. Right, let's do this again. I'm going to do it for them all. $20 divided by 320 times 100. 6.25. Yeah, it's different on the vertical. I was doing it wrong. I was doing it for the horizontal. Still typed it wrong. So 6.25 times 4. 25%. Thank you. 140 divided by 320 times by 100. Oh shit. 43.75%. $260. 81.25, so I was way off. Yeah, so doing it this way is going to be good, because no matter where it is or what size it is, it's going to be relative to that, which is what I wanted. Just hope it works. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom. It's working. Right. Any more? Oh god. Boring. What's this slides width thing? Do I even use this? Don't think I even use slides. Might be able to get rid of all this. Slides. Just going to KC on that. Yeah. Hey, I should be getting paid by Pluralsight here. Just doing marketing material for them. Ooh, what are you trying to say to me, GA Progman? What happens if you open it with IE? Okay. Let's give it a go. Nothing. Oh, allow block content. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's looking bloody good now. Yeah. Oh, and clicking on it shows the file location. Struggling to learn code, learn better with video. Pluralsight as the answer. Start your free trial today. Right. So that's good, and that's all percentages. So I think now let's just find in here PX. Ooh. Oh yeah, so I've got the only PXs are on this here, but I think I'm going to define this in my style sheet for my CS for my style. Yeah, but the thing is, right, I've got to be completely honest with this. I didn't write this to begin with. I sort of fudged it. So my mate who wrote this is a bit of a legend. So he wrote it for something for work, and then as a personal project, I decided to repurpose it for my own benefit and to do the CodeShare logo. So if we just go back to codeshare.co.uk and we just check out this awesome logo. So I repurposed it to do that, and now that's what we were using for this. That's why it says like that. Flipping cold. Yeah, but basically that's why it says about white logo and all that crap. I'm going to clean all that up as well, because I've got to get it ready to just move in to my project, to my website project. It's like the font face, don't even need that if I'm honest. Let's just have a look at that. Don't need that. So I'm going to strip it all out. All the shit that I don't need. I've got one viewer. Oh well, no one cares. So check my dashboard. Just make sure that I'm showing as online. Yeah. I am showing as online. I don't do much CSS. I can hold my own, but I can usually hold someone else's. I think this is a result of something that was compiled down, if I'm honest. I think my mate, he likes to write in Sass. Sass is good. I just don't use it. Got too many tabs now. That's annoying. There's not really that much to this. And I think cleaning it up is going to help to understand what there is to this. And for people that are watching, to achieve that on the right hand side, it wasn't that much. Yeah, I'll leave that at the top. So part 1, that is this. Then it's part 2 is the other images. Boom, boom, boom. So this is a general styles for part 2. And then these are specific styles. Right, does it still work? Maybe it's coming in from too far over. So it's saying left minus 50. I don't know. Right, that's my CSS cleaned up anyway. Right, CSS done. Markup, this is all the markup. So it's a very simple bit of markup. Just telling it what CSS and the initial scale, etc. And then just a div ID banner and some scripts. So what I'll do is, yeah, I'll leave those like that. And then I need the JavaScript. So at the minute there's a load more other stuff here as well, which this is for what he was doing. He had multiple slides. So you can imagine like a flash banner or something on a website. Well, he basically did that, but in HTML5, so like what I'm doing, you know. Oh yeah, you're going to go now, mate. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm basically going to carry on my own. But that's alright, I'm used to that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and this has probably not been very exciting for anyone. Yeah, so I'm going to strip out most of his code here, but I've got it in the history, so I can always nick some of these animations that he's doing if I want to use it on something else. But the main thing for me is to keep it simple. Keep it simple and stupid. Right. So I'm thinking that I could, oops. I'm thinking I could just do that. And then it's really simple now. Just getting right down to the nitty gritty. Struggling to learn code, learn better with video, plural site as the answer. So that's it now. That's all I've got. Now this hexagon thing. Where's N when it's at home? We've got T. And N. Do we have an N anywhere? Let's have a look for N. Well, actually, it's just looking for the hexagon thing. Does this have hexagon? No. Can I get rid of it? Probably. Now, so Jamie's going to go, so it's just me and you are the YouTube viewer at a later date. You're in for a treat. Yeah. So we've got Tween Light, Timeline Light, Ease Pack, CSS Plugin, JS, and then finally CodeShare Logo JS. So, and then banner.intro, yeah. Yeah, that's alright. So now I need to replace some of these with percentages again. So I can't remember what they were, so I'm going to have to just do them again. And that, so I'm going to start with 380 because that one appears 3 times. So swap 380px for 47.5%. And then 20px on the top. So 20 divided by 320 equals, right, that one was 6.25. Oh, actually, I can nick that off these CSS values. Can I? Where are they all gone? Oh yeah, 6.25, 25%. 43.75%. Actually, I don't even need these, do I, if I'm not changing them? And then 81.25%. But that will be on the last of those ones. And then the width one, 300 divided by 37.5. So they're all percentages now. I just need to make that one a percentage. $89.63. Or I'll just do 89.625. Give it a go. It's working. It's working. It's working. Working. Get in there. Now I'm pleased with that. So that means that if I make this 100%, so let's just say I change the CSS to make a wrong file. So I'll say width is 100% and the height is I'll do 100 VH or VW, and the height is 320 divided by 800 0.4. Are you still with us, Dance to Die? Cool. Good to see that you're still following me, mate. Right, so that would be 40 VW. Refresh that. I'm expecting it to be full width there. Oh yes. Brilliant. That is good. So does that mean, oh yes, so even if it's full like that, and I saved this image as an SVG as well, so they're all SVG, so it all looks high definition. It's coming together now. Wow, I'm quite surprised actually that it works. Struggling to learn code? Learn better with video? Pluralsight is the answer. Right, now all I need to do is sort out that logo position, because now that I've got it bigger, I want the padding to be the same. No, it can't stay there like that. Yeah, I'm impressed with it as well actually. Seems to work quite well, and definitely I'd recommend that Affinity Photo and Affinity Designer. So I did photo for the actual picture, designer for the SVGs, and for a one-off price for Affinity, it's definitely worth getting. Right, am I being picky with that? Oh yeah, well, I noticed that in my transitions here, I've got there's no need for this, so I might be able to just comment these out, because I'm not changing the top. So what's the point in having that as an animation? It doesn't change. The Affinity Design book, I've not used it. I work with the wife of one of the lead developers from Serif who make Affinity. So that's how I was able to get hold of this software. And I've not actually had a look at the book, but she did say she's got some copies of the book, so I might have a look at the book as well. But yeah, it's professional quality these days. I've done some videos on it actually. If you're interested, have a look at my Affinity Photo videos. Oh, that's messing about with it now. Anyway, let me just try and tweak that. That's a bit better. Right, so I'm going to go with 88%. Oh no, 7.5. I'll press the wrong one. And again, I don't think I need to edit the top. And I think I just need to make that 36%. Right, now I'm going to bring these up a bit. So these two. So now I've got just a smaller bit of code. It's a lot easier to mess about with. So I'm going to change the top of this one and that one. So I'm going to bring them both up a %. That's getting there. Is that in line? Oh, these sort of things are going to do my head in. I'm going to bring that up a bit. I might be able to live with that. Maybe just do the left, starting position left on this. A bit further out, maybe make it 1.5. Or make it 2. So I've added. Oh, that's better. That's better. Yeah. Ooh, just slightly too low. Come on, this is it. Yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. Right, so now I'm going to try and integrate it with my website at 7 minutes past midnight. Is that a wise thing to do? Maybe not. Right, I'm not going to do that tonight. Probably a bad idea if I do that. I might just carry on just refactoring it for a bit. I'll integrate it with my site probably tomorrow. I'll just make the code simpler. Oops. Have you got any questions about the code? Oh, you think it's a bit slow? No, that's good. Just what bit about it? Do you think it's the intervals? Because I was thinking about people reading it. But if you think the intervals are a bit slow, then maybe I should change the intervals. Or do you think the actual speed that it comes across is too slow? Let me know which you think it is, and we can work on it together. So you're a fast reader. Right, okay, well let's have a look. So, say, just do it out loud. Struggling to learn code. Learn better with video. Plural site has the answer. Start your free trial. That last one bothers me. Really bothers me. Shall we try and speed that one up? Maybe I could make that come in faster. No. What is wrong with it? Why does it take longer? If I do 5.5, it's going to happen before the other one, isn't it? I just don't understand. Oh, it's getting there. Right, don't know why that is, but I'm just going to keep going this way. This is getting there. So too fast. So now, make it come in at the same speed, and we might be onto a winner. Oh, what do you think to that? Let's do it again. I keep playing it till you say. Come on, let's hear it. Let's hear what you think to that one. Any thoughts? I like the interval of the last line. Yeah, I do now. So do you still think? I'm not sure about playing with it now. I'm going to keep it that way. I think it does work a bit better now, doesn't it? I'm impressed that it's still readable, whatever size. Doesn't normally work out for me well. This doesn't, sort of styling and stuff, so I'm quite chuffed with that. Chuffed is pleased. It still seemed like I had to wait a bit to get across the main point, which is start your free trial. Yeah, I know what you're saying, but I'm just thinking, let's have a look. Let's go on some websites and see if there are any banner ads and see what sort of speed they are, because they sort of just need to catch your attention, don't they? Let's see if there's any on the advertising on my site. Here we go. They were quicker, but then they changed slower. Oh, there's the old banner ad. See, that's changing slower. I can always tweak it. What might be good is to make the code so that when I do tweak it, the knock-on effect is just on the starting point, if you see what I mean. Does Umbrico offer an A/B testing? Well, I can do that myself, but so yeah, I could set it up to do A/B testing if I wanted. It wouldn't be too difficult actually. I could just 50% of the time serve a different one, and then put the GA event tracking on to say that it's A or B. That wouldn't be too bad, I think though. Let's have a look at that and compare it to. Oops. Oh, what are you doing to me? Oh. I do think compared to the other one it's a bit better, isn't it? I think you're right about the speed actually, because the words stay there. It's not like they're disappearing. Let's do it. Let's speed it up. Yeah, you win. You win on this one, mate. Right, so let's just say delay between slides. Well, I'm not using that, I don't think. Let's have a look, see if we've got anything in console now. Right, so I think I need to do one for I'm going to say speed. Basically I want a value for this. So I'm going to say animation speed. Change that to be 0.5, and then I'm going to use that here. So that'll be banner dot. Will it be this dot? Does this work? Right, so that works. So it didn't break anything. I'm just going to check in my code again. Getting there, happy with this now, tweaking. Right, what else are we doing? So I've got that speed, so that's the animation speed, and then I want to I'm going to say animation interval. So at the minute it's working in intervals of 2. So that's 0, isn't it? That's 0. So I'm going to say this dot animation interval speed. Oops. And then I'm going to do the same again, but times 2. Oops. So that would be times 3. That would be times 2. Oh, what am I doing? It's that one. Not using doc type HTML. Yeah, I am using doc type HTML. I'm just doing some JavaScript for the animations, mate. And then this one is, so how many 2's in that? So 4.5 divided by 2 equals 2.25. I don't know why I needed to do that. So let's see if that still works as it is. I'm not sure about that. That seems to. Oh well. What are you on about, Quake? Not using PHP? No. I'm just doing HTML5, JavaScript, CSS. That's it. Just using some animation libraries to add some effects to this. But if you want to learn PHP, then please go to codeshare.co.uk/pluralsight. Thank you. So now I can interval speed. So if I change that to be 1.5, so I'm going to make it a bit quicker now. Oh, are you still watching Dance to Die? If you're still watching, let me know what you think to it now. I can change the speed again. It's not a problem. I'm changing it to 125 now. Me Too looks bad. Oh god, Quake, you're hilarious. It looks bad, why? What's up with it? I need to change that to be 2. Or other way around. Yeah, needs to be 2.5. Okay, 2.4, 2.3. That was close. Yeah, very close. I think that's close, Dance to Die. What do you reckon? At least if I want though, I can speed it up or slow it down now. And I can change the intervals. So it's not too bad. Select query all does the same thing as get element by tag name. Don't know. Don't think I need that one anymore. Oh, forget it. Just gonna leave that. Right, so I'm happy with the HTML. I might just change this to be where it says banner. I might just change it to be plural site. Or PS banner. Yeah, I'll do it like that. So where it says banner, just change it to PS-banner. Just so that when it integrates with my site that I already use banner with, it'll be fine. So replace. Do it on here. Oh. affiliates. Oh yeah, that's even better. Affiliates. Sugar. I've broken it. Oh. Hey, Nightbot, get in there. I'm glad I added Nightbot now. Good on you, Nightbot. I really have broken it though, haven't I? People make me laugh that, I don't know, maybe he's sat at home drunk, but it just makes me laugh at their choice of going online. Like, no one else is watching this other than you, mate. Going online, finding someone and just trolling them. Why? Oh no, what an idiot. Alright, if I redo all of that, and redo all of that, and actually save changes on that, I might actually have it working anyway. Oh, close, close, close. PS banner. Yes, I've done it. So I'm ready to go. Yeah, I quite like this setup actually, because I've got my chat on my actual laptop down here, there, and then I've got the actual stuff that you can see up there. So the chat's not really putting me off, and I'm only looking at it if I'm actually wanting to. So I think that's working now. Struggling to learn code, learn better with video, Pluralsight is the answer. Start your free trial today. That'll do. I'm no genius when it comes to advertising and all of that. It'll do. It'll do. So I think it's ready now to try and bring across onto my website tomorrow if I get a chance. So I've already got these on my website. So it'll just be a case of bringing this over with these. Oh yeah, I need to rename these co-chair logo and that. So I'm going to rename the files now. Before I do, I'm just going to check in those files. Finished article. So yeah, that's finished, and then I just need to change this and get rid of all the assets as well. and maybe change the pathing of this convoluted assets. Why does it have to be assets? Why can't it just be, you know what I mean? I don't know. Do I need to do assets? But definitely need to rename some things. I need to delete from here as well. So that's fine. These are fine. Regarding ad experience, sucking at something is the first step to being sort of good at something. We're never good at anything from the get-go. Yep. Oh, thanks, mate. No, I appreciate that. I believe that as well. Just the fact that I'm having a go, even when I'm not used to it, I'm purposely going out of my comfort zone just because I'm actually enjoying it. Strangely enough, even though I'm out of my comfort zone, I'm really, really enjoying doing this little exercise. So I can delete the CSS co-chair logo. I can delete the fonts. Images. Logo part 2. I mean, what is this all about? I could shorten all this. I'm going to get rid of all of these. Definitely worth doing this. Where's the... Oh, is that part 1? Just really trying to keep it simple. Check it still works. Yeah, right. So what I'm going to do is grab that. So now it's just assets images. So anywhere that was referencing the other, I can just go straight to images and then the file path. So that'll be better. Yes. So that's still working. So now in that folder, I can get rid of the logo folder because I'm not even using part 1 and part 2 now. Just get rid of that. The background image is SVG, not PNG, so delete PNG. So this is it. So I've got CSS there, images there, and scripts. Code share logo, right. So I'm just going to call this PS-banner. Right, that's good. I'm just going to get rid of N. I don't think I use it. And this part 3, part 2, yeah, okay, I don't use part 3. Yeah, that's good. I can get rid of this. I don't even need that, or do I? Cool. Yeah, don't worry, mate. You don't have to stay on just because I'm on, you know. If you want to go, you can go. I'll probably go myself in a minute, so don't feel you're obliged or anything like that. I do appreciate you being on. Right, what do I want to do now? I think I'm done. I've got it really simplified down now. Oh yeah, I still need to rename these two. So I need to rename that to be PS banner. And then just rename the HTML file. Oh, and I need to delete that one. Ah, that is it. Dun dun dun. Now it's just literally 3 files. Those images. What's this? What's all this? Do I use any of these? Do I? Lib. Right, so I use lib. Scripts lib. do they need to be in lib? Can I just shove them in there? I'll just delete lib. Hi mate, glad you're back. I've managed to really strip this down now. So you can see this is everything on the tree now. So we just got one CSS file. These are the images. That background image one's interesting, isn't it? Wow, how big is that file? Anyway, oh yeah, reveal out in Explorer. Only 157 kilobytes. That's not bad, is it? So yeah, these are the different lines. And then the Pluralsight logo. And then just these plugins, etc. And then my JavaScript file. So that's it, it's all shrunk down to that. It's quite a tidy little bit of code, I think, now. So now if I want to move on and do something with it myself, I can. Although I might, I'm just looking at these naming here, like logo part 1. I don't have a part 1 and part 2 anymore. Might even simplify that as well. Although, let me just check it all in. So, yeah, it's not bad, is it? Oh, I've got an error update. Right. I'm going to get out of the assets folder as well, because the HTML isn't in there. Or am I? No, stop doing it. Stop going over the top. Right, I can close that. I'm not interested in that. Not interested in those. Just that one, and that one. Right, I'm just going to remove part 2. Actually, that might be a mistake, deleting those. I'm just going to leave that back on. Refresh. Yep. Close that. Close that. Step away from the computer, Paul. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I think that's it. God, it works in IE11 as well. That was impressive. Yeah. I've changed the name. Yeah. It's over. So thanks ever so much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, please click on like, subscribe to my channel. I think you're already subscribed anyway, aren't you, Dance to Die on Twitch? Please feel free to comment and everything like that. So thanks for watching. Bye.